Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Tesla versus Bitcoin, and I will touch on King Island, talk about Bitcoin won't drop below 7,000 again in our lifetime. And in case you haven't installed a Brave browser, you can check it out. It blocks out advertising. Also, you can earn basic attention token as well. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, bitchute.com and library.tv. For library.tv, you can earn library token just by joining library.tv and just watching videos. So library.tv is basically a decentralized YouTube. And of course, it's better to have a decentralized YouTube because I got banned from YouTube during Christmas. So let's talk about Tesla versus Bitcoin. Which one would you hold by 2025? And you know what? Tesla, Elon Musk company, become the first publicly traded American car maker to cross the over 100 billion market cap. And of course, it is a traded all-time high. If you, let's see, probably you know that the stock has been going parabolic since December from around 330 to all the way from 595, almost 600. And of course, there's a lot of short seller got killed. People who are shorting Tesla, they lose billions and billions of dollars. So in terms of the short interest right now, it's slightly declining. So it has been steadily declining since October. Let's see. Yeah, back in August, it has like tons and tons. I mean, it is very high short interest, but right now it's getting lower because a lot of short sellers already got killed. Their position has been liquidated. And in terms of the Tesla return for the same year, so for example, Tesla, the price started the year at around 430, and then I think it goes all the way down to 190 in June, and then go back up again. And the year-to-date return is over 35% in comparison to Bitcoin with the same time period. Bitcoin is just 20% increase. And now Tesla is valued more than Ford and GM or General Motors combined. Of course, the company already surpassed Volkswagen as the second largest car maker by market cap in the world. The next target, of course, is Toyota, and the market cap is over 200 billion. And New Street Research also talk about Tesla target price for the next 12 months is $800. By 2025, Tesla may become the largest car maker in the world, and it will deliver up to 3 million cars per year during the next 5 years. That will, help the stock price may pump up to 1,100 or even 1,700. That would suggest a market cap of 250 to 30 billion. So do you think Bitcoin can keep up the pace, And so basically, Elon Musk company has gained over 130%, while Bitcoin has a negative return during the same time period, in the last 6 months. For 2019 as a whole, Bitcoin almost doubled. Tesla gained over 40%. So I don't know if you watch the interview with Cathie Wood. So Cathie Wood is the CEO of Art Invest. He is in CNBC, and then the reporter questioning her about Tesla, and because at the time she said Tesla could go up to $500. And people still on, I think the reporter in CNBC questioning her, hey, Tesla is just a car company. At the time, Tesla was only 330, after the Cybertruck announcement. And they're questioning, hey, this is just a car company. Do you think it will be the value higher than Ford or GM, blah, blah, blah. I mean, they are pretty naive. I mean, seriously. I mean, Tesla is not a car company. It's a technology company. With the SpaceX and all that, those technology can help also Tesla as well. And when I look at the interview, it's like I was like, really? I was like, I mean, do they not understand what Tesla is all about? I'm just scratching my head. I just very disapprove. I mean, seriously, CNBC, whatever CNBC say something, that means it's negative. At that time, if CNBC is like bearish about Tesla, I'm bullish. I turn into bullish because CNBC is bashing about Tesla. I mean, everybody's bashing during that time. But anyway, so Kathy would talk about anticipate the stock price to surge 6,000 in the next 5 years, which will make $1 trillion giant. So in this scenario, Bitcoin may lose the competition if it doesn't stick to the price performance predicted in the stock to flow ratio, the model, and the I don't know if they don't stick to that price performance stock to flow ratio, then it may be losing the game. But I doubt it because I don't think so. But not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. So what do you think? Do you think Tesla will perform better than Bitcoin, or Bitcoin will perform better than Tesla, or it doesn't matter to you guys? Or comment below. I would love to hear from you. The next stop I'm going to talk about, I think Timothy Peterson from King Island Alternative Advisor. He's basically saying that in your lifetime you won't see 7,000 Bitcoin again. And in last year, he predict in March that Bitcoin will close the year at around 7,800, and that was pretty close to his prediction is pretty close actually. If you do the average price throughout December, it was around 7,400. So, but the thing is, let's go back to the chart. But the thing is, if you remember back in November and December, you can see 6,000, around 6,005, around 6,005, two times, it touched two times actually. So I mean, I would just take it as a grain of salt because you don't know. Nobody have a crystal ball. So I don't know. I'm not sure, but I would take it in a grain of salt. And also, I would be skeptical when people say it will never drop below certain price point. I mean, I think I'm skeptical on that. But let me know what you think. Do you think we will not drop below 7,000 again in our lifetime? Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And let's see, in terms of coin market cap, well, Bitcoin, excuse me. Right now, the Bitcoin, the market cap is 157 billion. So in terms of going back up to trillion, probably it may happen, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. If Bitcoin go to trillion, that means there's a total collapse in everything. It looks like to me. That will be very chaotic during that times. Please comment below what do you think about that. I would love to hear from you. And if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe. You don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv and bittruth.com as well. And please comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube. I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, stock market, or commodity can have inherent risk. Please use a due diligence.